back Welcome back to our classes. So in this class we want to teach us how to add caption to our video, our photo, video, and our normal video editing. So if we click, let's just go to caption, the first draft, and let's pick the one that we have added. Okay, you want to add caption to it. You want to add caption to these images or something like that. Then you just come here and add text. Then click on text. Okay, what should I write? Are you for someone who can make an eye-catching flyer for you. Can you see that? Okay. Then you mark it. Okay. So this is our text. So if you can come to edit to change the color of the text anywhere you like. Can you see it? Can you change the black to any color you like? Then you can pick a color, any color you like. You just come to the plus button. You want to pick this color, you can pick this color. You want to pick this color, you can pick this color. You want to pick this one, you want to pick white or pink. Let's assume I want to pick this, I can pick pink. Then my color will change to pink. Okay, if I want to change the border, I can come here and change the border to white. Can you see it? So if I want to give it a shadow, I can give it shadow. Then I'm not using border. If I want to change the font, I'll just come to this A font and change it to this value. Can you see? I think this is okay by me. Then I'm not using, let me just come back to the border. I'm not using border. Then I want to use the label. I want to use the label border. Let me close the border. I want to use the label. Then I want to use this is the label. Okay. Let me now go back to my text and change the color to black, to white.